Welcome to today's story, The Potter's New Skill. This is a heartwarming tale of determination, learning, and the bond between a grandfather and a granddaughter. In the peaceful village of Chandanpur, there lived a potter named Ramu. He was 65 years old and famous for his beautiful clay pots. Every home in the village had at least one of his creations. But Ramu had a secret. He had never learned to read or write. He often relied on others to read letters or signs for him. It embarrassed him, but he thought, what use is learning at my age? My hands are made for molding clay, not holding a pen. One day, a government official came to the village with an announcement. From now on, he said, every item sold at the weekly market must have a tag with the product name, price, and the seller's signature. Ramu was worried. How could he comply when he didn't even know how to write? Ramu sat by his clay pots, his heart heavy. That's when his 12-year-old granddaughter, Anya, noticed him. She was a bright and cheerful girl who loved to read and write. Dada, she asked, why do you look so worried? Ramu explained his problem. Anya thought for a moment and then said confidently, don't worry, Dada, I'll teach you how to write. Ramu hesitated. I'm too old for this, Anya, he said. My hands are not steady and I won't be able to learn. Anya smiled. Dada, if your hands can make such delicate pots, they can surely hold a pencil. Trust me. Every evening after her school, Anya sat with Ramu under the big banyan tree. She brought a slate and a piece of chalk. Let's start with the basics, she said. She patiently showed him how to write each letter one at a time. At first, Ramu struggled. His hands trembled and his letters were crooked, but Anya kept encouraging him. You're doing great, Dada, she would say, even when he made mistakes. As the market day approached, Ramu became more confident. A week before the big day, Anya gave him a surprise test. She held up a blank price tag and said, write the name of your pot, its price, and your signature. Ramu's hands trembled as he picked up the pen. Slowly, he wrote on the tag. When he finished, Anya beamed with pride. You did it, Dada. I'm so proud of you. On market day, Ramu displayed his pots with neatly written price tags. Buyers were impressed. Look at these tags. Ramu has learned to write, they said. Many praised his determination and some even paid extra, inspired by his effort. By the end of the day, Ramu had sold every single pot. He returned home with a wide smile and tears of gratitude in his eyes. That evening, Ramu hugged Anya tightly. You've given me more than just knowledge, Anya, he said. You've given me confidence and a new way to see the world. Anya smiled and said, Dada, learning has no age limit. I'm so proud of you. And so, Ramu's story reminds us that it's never too late to learn something new. With determination and the right guidance, we can achieve anything. Thank you for listening to The Potter's New Skill. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories. See you next time.